I'm back with the F Melodic Minor Scale, part of the relative minor of the A flat major scale. Remembering that we need to play four accidentals: B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. But with an exception. We know that with the melodic, when we ascend, the 6th and 7th degree is raised, meaning that both our D flat and E flat will become D and E going up. But when we descend, they are returned to their original pitches, meaning that they will then again become D flat and E flat. So 2 accidentals going up, 4 accidentals coming down. As usual, please like the video, give me a comment, and hit the subscribe button as well. And stay tuned for some more tutorials coming soon. Let's start with our 1 octave, right, left, and together. For the right hand, I'm going to start on F, and I'm going to play. Both the D and the E is now naturals. But when I come back down, I'll be playing all 4 of them. For the left hand, starting on my pinky, D, E, coming back down, so a bit of a memory game right here in the top half of the scale. Hands together. And there I have my F Melodic Minor Scale 1 octave. For 2 octaves, we'll just be copying the finger structure, but also remembering to either use our forefinger in our right hand where needed. Starting with the right hand first. F, thumb to G. Now when we come back down, looking at the left hand, third finger over, 4 on G, coming back down, thumb on F, playing them hands together. There we have the 2 octave version. Of course, Hanon wants us to play this 4 octaves, repeating it twice. Let's have a look at that. Starting nice and low. Remembering to do that 2 times. Actually a really easy scale to sustain for 4 octaves. For the cadence, we know that the cadence is the same for both the harmonic and the melodic. So when we get to the bottom, I'm going to come up to B flat. My first chord is going to be G, D flat and F, followed by A flat, C and F, C in the left. Then the octave jump down to C, I'm going to have E, C, B flat and G. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Followed by back to F and a big stretch there between the A flat and the C. And there is my cadence. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more tutorials coming soon.